Okay, we're back with Blindfolded lab skills, and as the anaerobic culturing lab that we are, the next lab skill is blindfoldedly sealing and crimping some anaerobic voltage tubes.
Okay.
Sam, please.
Quickest time wins.
Quickest time wins.
I'll trust you to keep a good time on the stopwatch.
And please box up your face.
Okay.
And I'll get out of the way and get the timer.
When does the timer start?
So we're doing 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Done. Okay, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Well,
Julia, it's your turn. Put that phone away.
oh no.
I will be doing my own timing on my own device just to independently.
Excuse me,
these.
and my European phone.
Yes. So, I got nothing about kilometers. Best of luck.
Okay. You tell me when it's go time.
Okay. Okay. Anytime you're ready to start.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Done. How did I do?